Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from the team at Dodgy Software. Today I'd like to feature a mesh factory that I wrote. I wrote this because Newton Game Dynamics supports a subset of primitives, being boxes, capsules, camphor cylinders, cones, cylinders, and spheres, and also tori. I extended it with a few other shapes as well that I happen to want there. Erlich out of the box doesn't support those primitives, so when I was playing around with the physics integration into this framework, um, I wanted to be able to create visual geometry that would match what the physics was interacting with. Um, so I guess I just did decide to add an extra primitive up here as well, which was sort of inspired from Crash to Insanity. The Crash Bandicoot series always has these little power crystal things that Neocortex is always trying to capture to power his evil machines. So yeah, I could not possibly have a mesh factory that wouldn't generate a nice diamondy shape. Um, Anyway, I think that's about as much as I wanted to cover in this video. Perhaps barring one thing, and I'm not entirely sure that how this might spare somebody else some agony or not, but this little rounded sort of coin-like shape here. In Newton Game Dynamics, that's called a camphor cylinder. Normally when you think of a camphor cylinder, you'd be thinking of a cylinder with probably the caps beveled. That's not what Newton Game Dynamics means by a camphor cylinder. What a camphor cylinder is, it's a toroid with caps at the maxima and minima locations. So, so when you, for instance, change the height, like say if for this object here, if you made the height, or rather the thickness of this equal to the height, then it would actually form a sphere. So it is an unusual shape, and it did take me a while to reverse engineer it. The answer on how to produce that came from some obscure half sentence that I found on a forum, but no direct guides to reproduce that shape. But yeah, anyway, until next time, take care.